I'm using cool colors. This purple. Folds. Let's blow! It's a cold reflex. Same here. Now iron oxide with ultramarine. I want the color to be cold. It's a dark color here. We're doing the first backing. You can add a little bit of burnt sienna with ceruleum. I'm not going on the sole yet. Let that area dry a little bit. I'll wet it from here too. Naturally, we don't join these fragments to each other in thickness. And not in the sole, but only in the shade. I'm wetting the part that's in the deep shade. I'm wetting it. I happen to get a little bit on the ring. And there are cool shades of violet pink and ultramarine in there too. I mix it a little bit with iron oxide. I put this color where the light part of the folds are. I add ceruleum. You can put it here on the shade. I'll blow on it. We're still drying out here. Burnt sienna, ultramarine. It's a dark color. We put it right where the darkest places are. Here. I'm putting it down. Next, here's the depth. And here too. It's blowing. It's coming out a little bit now. I'm going to add a little blue. Violet blue, a cool shade. There's a slight textured shadow underneath the shoelace. Right. Iron oxide, ultramarine. You could add burnt sienna to it. We need some kind of dense color. I guess. Iron oxide, ultramarine. I gathered a lot of paint. We're enhancing the shadow. The purple's separate. Just a little bit. I'll add burnt sienna, I think. It's too warm a color. We're doing the same thing. I meant I'll take iron oxide and ultramarine. We've got the shoe almost outlined. Now we're going to separate this thickness. Here and here. That's it. Here too. Now we're going to go to the sole. I'm going to erase the palette a little bit. Make more room. The paint gets stuck on the palette. That's where the ceruleum will be. Yellow ochre. Maybe a natural sienna. It's a bluish color. I put it right here. Once again, we have a limited palette. Yeah, that's right. And we'll move on to the laces for now. I washed out the palette a little bit. The shoelaces are going to have a pretty bright blue shadow. There's also going to be a natural sienna and a little bit of purple pink in some places. You also have to consider the thickness of the lace. More blue. Still going to add the sienna. Blue looks like a color. I want it to look like a shadow. Now I wash the brush. I wring it out. I'm just going to wipe these borders off real quick. That's a shame. We're going to lighten this sole. It needs to be light because it's right next to the shadow. I'm going to go with a bluer paint. It's still a very light shadow. I'm going to take more sienna. Adding a little bit of texture. Here too. Here. So far, I've got the shadow a little bit more set. I don't want to finish the job, but I have to. I'll get a broom. I'll smudge some of what I've got. I'll add some texture. Just a little bit. The foreground is great. All right. Friends, I still don't want to finish the work. I want to dig into all the details. I want to finalize everything. Well, that's it. No more fiddling. It's done. I hope it works out for you, and I hope it won't be too hard for you. It'll be a pleasure. We look forward to your work, friends. Bye.